Alright, today we're going to take a look at using latitude and longitude together. In the previous lesson we looked at what each line was, how to find them, but today we're going to put them together to find absolute location. Whenever you see coordinates written, latitude always comes first. So for example, you'll see 30 degrees north as latitude, separated by a comma, and then you will have your longitude written next to it. With this example, we're going to use the map to find what continent is located where these two lines cross one another. So what you'll do first is we'll find 30 degrees north, which is located off to the map over here, and then we will find 105 degrees west. There's 0, the prime meridian. 105 is located here. When we follow both lines, our latitude line here, our longitude here, we can see that they cross in what is Mexico, but the continent we're looking for here is North America. Another example, if we do 15 degrees north, comma, and 30 degrees east, we can look on this side, 15 degrees north, because our equator is 0, first line above it's 15 north. And then we can look for 30 degrees east. Now you can use the top or the bottom of the map. We'll choose the top here, might be easier to see in the video. And then we use our lines to find our location. So we'll follow the 30 degree line and the 15 degree line over, and they cross right here in the continent of Africa. We're going to do one more example. So this time we'll do 30 degrees south, again, comma, and let's do 135 degrees east. So I'll move the map over so we can see a little more easily. 30 degrees south is located here. And 135 east, remember east is on this side, is located here. Whenever we find the intersection of the lines, it brings us to Australia. You can explore around on Google Maps and find your current latitude and longitude. All you have to do is go to Google Maps, pick any place on the map you'd like. You can find your house, wherever. Right-click on that area, and then a little menu will pop up, and on there you'll click What's Here. And at the bottom of the screen it will open a box that says what's there, and it will list the latitude and longitude coordinates underneath. Now it would be very detailed, so instead of just your regular whole numbers, it'll have some decimals that follow it. But that way you can find your absolute location anywhere on the globe. So that's it on finding latitude and longitude together. The next thing that we will focus on will be looking at elevation maps.